I want them. Yes.
Human rights lawyer and activist Dele Farotimi has been granted 30 million naira bail by a magistrate court in Ekiti State. The court also asked Farotimi to provide 3 sureties with a landed property within the jurisdiction. He was told to refrain from media interview and to submit his international passport, and the case was adjourned to 13th February 2025. Farotimi was remanded in a correctional center in Ado-Ekiti, the Ekiti State capital, for over 2 weeks. Arrived at the magistrate court premises around 9:45 a.m. on Friday, he was conveyed to the court premises in a prison van with a police escort, highlighting while raising his hands up in appreciation of a cheering crowd outside the court. His bail comes after the magistrate, Abayomi Adeosun, had at the last sitting reserved ruling till December 20th on the bail application and ordered that the activist be remanded in prison. During the court proceedings, Farotimi pleaded not guilty to the 14-count charge preferred against him by the police. His counsel, Adeyinka Olumide Fusika, had filed a preliminary objection asking the court to strike out the charge. Recall the NaijaNews report an earlier bail sum of 50 million naira for Farotimi. According to him, the charge before the court was unknown to law, and the offense of defamation was not recognized under the criminal law of Ekiti State 2021. Farotimi is being prosecuted before a chief magistrate court in Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State, for allegedly defaming a senior advocate of Nigeria, San Afe Babalola. The arrest of the activist sparked public criticisms, with many Nigerians calling for his immediate release. Opposition leaders including former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, Omoyele Sowore, among others, all joined in the call for the release of Farotimi. They accused the government of trying to suffocate dissenting voices. Civil society organizations including Amnesty International also condemned Farotimi's arrest and demanded his immediate release. Amnesty International Nigeria had, in one of its series of posts on X over the matter, said the Nigerian authorities must end repression of dissentment and immediately and unconditionally release him, Farotimi. Also, human rights lawyer Femi Falana condemned the arrest, describing it as illegal. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.